Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh, and it's time for another Burgh unboxing, actually Burgh unbagging. And this time, this comes from, oh my God, on 52nd Street in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So straight out of Pittsburgh this comes. So let's see what it is, using the broken scissors, which I can't find the good ones, and hopefully I can get this open. All right, we will see what this book is. I know it's a book, I just don't know what. Okay, carefully not to hurt the book. Straight out of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, Goodwill on 11852nd Street, Goodwill of Southwestern PA. So, and I believe it is another paranormal book for my paranormal collection. Tonight I'll be reading the Nick Pope book. Okay, we have here's the bag. And, okay, this is an appropriate book. You can't weird Pennsylvania for the people that don't think I'm from Pennsylvania. And this is your travel guide to Pennsylvania's local legends and best kept secrets by Matt Lake. And they have others in this series: Weird Wisconsin, Weird Indiana, Weird Illinois. And this is also by Mark Sherman and Mark Moran. And let's see here. Let's see. Bigfoot Hunter interview. Unidentified flying objects. Boy, look at this. Middletown, Pottstown, Crutchtown, Elkins Park, Pottstown, Altoona, Neffsville, Allentown, Olmsted Air Force Base, Unnamed Town, Outta, Stroudsburg, Corsica, Pleasant View, Union, and Presque Isle State Park, all from 1952 in June to 1966. And here we go, the bloodstains at Grumblethorpe. And if I had bloodstains in my house, I'd be Grumblethorping. Here's a spontaneous human combustion, and they spread to Florida. Widow burns to death in Drexel, and they've talked about that on Coast to Coast. Ape Boy of the Chelsea Swamps. This is in Chester in Delaware County. There's an ape boy. Round the Horn. Now this is a picture they took out of Curse the Demon, but that's somewhere in Pennsylvania. Let's see what else here. The Amish Just Plain Folks. So there's your Amish, for your Amish fans out there, or Amish, or The Lost Hills of Eternal Youth. I wouldn't mind finding that myself. Let's see what else is here. Fabled People and Places. Huntington's Missing Stone. Exploring the cairns of Susquehanna County, where you'll no doubt find the lost Susquehanna Hat Company. Trip Lake Rock Files. Piles of Rock. The Stone of the Rising Sun, not New Orleans. Seine Harbor Petroglyphs. And, ooh, Headless Horrors at Allison's Grave. That sounds creepy. Allison has no head. Dark Tunnels of Downingtown. Now this is a tunnel, and it's air shafts, and maybe it's like Art Bell's tunnels, or caves, or holes. And we have Haunted Moonshine Church and the Blue-Eyed Six. There they are. So this cost $19.95 originally, and Witchcraft and Murder in Hex Hollow. And I'll just end this. So this will be a neat book, and I think I'll enjoy reading it. And they have a number of other, Weird US, And let's see if they list any of the other. Throw us your weird. You write them at Bloomfield, New Jersey, P.O. Box 1346, or at editor@weirdus.com. And they don't list, unfortunately, the other weird books, but you can get these on Amazon or eBay. And let me see if they list any other books here. Yeah, there's your. And I don't. This came out in, well, 2005. And I'll read you the contents. Local legends and lore, ancient mysteries, fabled places and people, unexplained phenomenon, bizarre beasts, local heroes and villains, personalized properties, roadside oddities, roads less traveled, Quaker State ghosts, cemetery, safari, and abandoned places. They've got an index, which is good, acknowledgments, and picture credits. So there's Weird Pennsylvania. All right, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh in Pennsylvania, but I'm not in Pennsylvania. I'm in Martinez, and the real guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great day. Stay warm, dry, or cool out there if you can, and stay safe. And I'll be back with another video and live tonight at 6 for my Art Bell tribute video. Bye-bye for now.